Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. I know I just posted 2 days ago. If you guys haven't watched that video, make sure to click up here and watch it. But for today's video, I'm going to be cash stuffing my fixed expenses, which are my bills. So let's get right into it. All right, you guys, so the first thing I like to do is take this money out of the bank envelope. So how is everyone doing today? Hope everyone is well. Everyone is staying hydrated because it is very hot. At least here in New York, it's very, very hot. I just got back from the bank and I couldn't wait to come home. It was too hot. Oh Lord, I cannot wait for fall. I just need fall to get here ASAP. But anyways, let's open this up. And like my last video, I explained that I have this dashboard. As you guys can see here, we have a sinking funds dashboard, and I have like the categories and the amount I stuff every week. I also have it for my fixed expenses. So for my fixed expenses, I have rent, electricity, Wi-Fi, my streaming like Netflix, Amazon, and Epidemic. I have cell phone, it's 3 lines, gym, my HP, which is my printer, my Cricut, and then I totally forgot about this under budgeted, but we'll just put it into like miscellaneous or whatever. So yeah, so let's go ahead and start. So what I basically do with my bills is that I split all of my bills into 2 because I only use 2 of my paychecks in a month to pay the bills. And then every other check that I do get, like from Etsy or any gig or anything, I use that money to cash stuff my sinking funds and like my savings challenges. So rent is $1,092. So what I do is I divide it by 2. That is $546. But since I did not get the right denomination, we're only gonna stuff $545. I should have $1 in the bank. That's okay. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 500. We're gonna do 2 20s, a 5, and a single. So for rent we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20, 40, 546. So 546. All right, next we have electricity, and electricity is usually, let me actually pull this out. Electricity is, I had 150, but it's 125 every month now. So 125, if we divide that by 2, 125 divided by 2, that is $62.50. So I'm gonna be stuffing $62. So we're gonna do 2 20s, a 10, 2 5s, and 2 singles. So we have 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62. So electricity has $62. All right, next we have Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi is 56 and change, but I like to round that up, so that's 57. So that's how much we're gonna stuff. And this I am not splitting into 2 bills because this bill is due now, so I have to stuff it now. So 20, 40, 55, 56. Yeah, we're doing 56. So 20, 40, 50, 55, 56. And I should have 33 cents. I think it's like 56.33. So I'm not stuffing 57, I'm stuffing 56. Cell phone is 3 lines and it's $220 a month. So I do split that into 2, so that is $110. So we're gonna do 100 and a $10 bill. 110. Alrighty, gym, and this is my husband's gym. Gym is usually 28, but I don't have the right denomination. I'm like $3 short, so we're only stuffing 25. So we're gonna do a 20 and a 5. All right, next is insurance, and I need to update this dashboard. I didn't add insurance, so insurance is $40. So we have 2 20s. Streaming is my Netflix, Amazon, Epidemic, and Netflix already charged. They usually charge like on the 1st of the month, I think it is, or the 2nd, and we are past that. So this is getting $85. 20, 40, 60, 80, and 85. So that's 20, 40, 60, 85. Next, we have my credit card, and like I mentioned on my last video, I do make a minimum payment, and this is where I put the money. And then whatever I save for this one right here, like we have 25, this is going towards like the amount, like the whole amount, not the interest, but this is the whole amount, like to pay it down, if that makes sense. So this is the minimum payment, and then this is for the amount to start coming down. All right, so credit card is getting $35. That's the minimum that I have to pay every month. So that's 20, 35. 35. And then we have this left, and this is going towards miscellaneous, and this is like for a just in case, if I was short on something, or like I need extra money for my business, if I need to buy extra supplies, you know. So that goes towards my miscellaneous envelope. So I don't know if you guys, most of you guys probably don't follow me on Instagram, but I created this Christmas envelope, and as you guys can see, like the vinyl is very light, but I decided I want to keep it and split my gift envelope into 2, because I was using the gift for like birthdays and like Christmas. So I decided that I want to have a gift envelope for like birthdays and then one for Christmas. So whatever I had in here, I think I had, let me see, I had 20, 30, and then I had this. I had like $56 inside my gift envelope. So I splitted that. So I put 20 towards gift, and then I put 36 towards Christmas. So this is my new Christmas envelope. Cute. And I think that's about it, you guys. I'm going to be doing the $10,000 challenge. I'll be putting something towards this next week, because I want to do it weekly. So since I just stuffed it not too long ago, I don't want to put anything else towards it. So, oops. These things always come off. So let's go ahead and just put this back in here. And that's it, you guys. My binder is fully stuffed. Look at this. And I'm, you know what's the thing about these binders? I love these binders because the rings are big, you know, and like me, I like to keep everything just in one binder. I know before, like I used to have 2 binders for my sinking funds and then one for my bills, but I wanted to just keep it in one binder so I can know that everything is in one place, you know. That's how I am. I think that's like super organized to me. But yeah, these ring binders are very big, so that's why I love these binders, and I'm able to keep everything in one. So look, everything fits. But that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I didn't even drink some of my water. My cold water is so hot. Oh yeah. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.